Hello everybody, a big warm Christmassy welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing really well wherever you're watching this today. I love filming this video every year. One of my favourite Christmas videos. Obviously I went to an extra large B&M to do my Christmas haul, and you can see just how big it was on my Instagram. Got a little reel on there if you want to see. And I got the goods. A real mix of things. I got loads of Christmas stuff, but I also got lots of cleaning and home and other bits and bobs as well. So I'm going to share with you everything that I got this Christmas 2023 from B&M. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I upload 3 videos a week, all about cleaning and mum life and chores and daily routines and a bit of shopping and things in there as well. If I sound out of breath, I have caught the lurgy cold flu cough thing that every child seems to have in the country right now. My darling toddler has given it to me, hence why I'm a bit breathy and a bit nasal. So sorry about that. Everything's a bit muddled up. I don't really have an order, so I'm just gonna lucky dip into me bags and we'll see what we get. And I'm starting with something very on theme, which is this little guy here. So when it comes to decorations in like the kitchen play area where the boys spend their day, I go a bit more traditional. I want them to have sort of memories of more traditional Christmas decor, whereas in this room, in the living room, it's all very to my taste. But I like the kids to have a bit more traditional stuff. And I saw these. Now there's lots of these in B&M. They came in loads of different colours, lots of different styles, holding different accessories. And this was the one I decided to get. I think he is adorable. Really traditional, but he's not bright red, which I love. He's still got his Santa's sack. Just look at all the little details in his sack and his little outfit. I love his little jolly face. And he's holding a little lantern and some skis. I just thought the boys will love that. And he was £10. I got myself another gonk because you really can't have too many gonks. And I've just realised this one has a little bell as well. Again, I went for more sort of traditional look, a red and white one, because I thought the boys would really love this one. And he was only £4. There were loads of gonks. Any colour that you can imagine, basically. B&M is catering to your needs. I got myself a Christmas scrub daddy. Scrub mummy, sorry. Don't know what the difference is between the mummy and the daddy, but this is apparently a scrub mummy. I just realised my phone has been in shot this entire time. I went for the Christmas tree design. I think there were a few new ones. There was a snowman and another one that I can't remember. I went for a Christmas tree, and one side is super soft and one side is where you scrub. So looking forward to filming with that. I got my eldest some magic milk straws. If you're a subscriber, you'll know that I don't go to B&M without coming home with these. Oh my gosh, I got so many snacks for the kids and for me. I really went in on the snacks. Got the boys some little mini jammy dodgers. They love these and they're great for lunchboxes as well. Always have these. Got myself some snacks. I got myself the Fibre One brownies. These were, I think they were £1.50. In Asda, these are like £2.95 or something crazy. Yeah, they were like £1.50 in B&M, so I got this, and I also got the lemon drizzle flavour as well. They are so delicious. I might actually have one in a moment. Some Milky Bars for his snack box, because he loves to have one when he wakes up from his nap. He wakes up from his nap a little bit grumps, not very happy about having to be woken up, and this always cheers him up. Oh, I've just remembered I bought this for me to eat while I was walking around and shopping, and I never ate it. But I can have that later. That's a little treat. A mint twirl. I love mint chocolate. Never had the mint twirl. I got myself some Christmas plugins. I love the Febreze spiced apple. Hasn't got the little scratchy sticker on it, but I didn't need to try it because I know exactly what it smells like, and it smells like Christmas. I got the boys another Christmas book. They have their own Christmas tree upstairs on the landing that they decorate and do whatever they want with. And under it, I have a sort of basket full of Christmas books and Christmas stories that they have at bedtime, which is very cute. And I thought this would be a new little addition to the Christmas stories. It's called A Letter to Santa, and it has little, where is it? It has like little letters in the book. I thought the boys would really enjoy that. And it just looks like a nice little traditional Christmas story. And it was only £3. I got air fryer liners. I don't normally use these. I normally just whack a bit of foil in the bottom, but these apparently are completely reusable. So we'll save on having to buy foil. Easy to clean, fits most shapes. I'm gonna give them a go tonight. It was £2 for a pack of 2, which is good because I have a double air fryer. These are new in this year. There were lots of these lovely sort of paper decorations, but most of them I actually already have because they had them last year. But these are definitely new. I've never seen these before. So it's a set of 6. They come in like a deep green, a cream, and like a sort of silvery grey. Really, really lovely ornaments. And for 6, it was £5. These will go on mummy's tree, not the kids' tree. Not very exciting, but I got the boys waterproof pillow protectors. They have waterproof covers on their mattresses. Main reason being my eldest is like 6.5, so he doesn't need it for toilet reasons, but if your child gets a sickness bug in the middle of the night, which my children only ever seem to get them in the middle of the night, and they're sick on their bed, you want to make sure that you have a waterproof protector. So the boys have waterproof mattress protectors, but it wasn't until I saw these that I thought actually their pillows aren't protected. So if they ever were poorly on their pillow, I would have to wash the entire pillow, which I have had to do in the past. So I thought this will be great. So I'll put these on and it will protect the pillow as well as the mattress. So it was £2 for 1. So I got 2. I don't know where the other is, but I got 2, 1 for each boy. I got them a couple of nice little plates with compartments. We have lots of these, but this I thought was a nice size. Normally the plates with compartments like this are quite small, but I love that this had a nice big one at the bottom and then 2 smaller ones, and a nice shape as well. So I got 2 shades of blue. They're calling this green, but I would definitely call that like a shade of blue. They were £2 each. I got myself some washing detergent capsules, tablets. Just trying to eat them, excuse me, that smell delicious. These are the Bold Lenore in Pink Blossom. I can't remember how much they were, but I got them because they were the best deal, but I can't remember how much. More snacks for the kids. These are cute. These are like a knockoff of Nutella Natini chocolate bites. They're like these little biscuits with like Nutella in the middle. Again, a cute little lunchbox treat. They have little pictures on them, which the boys always enjoy. So if I'm in B&M or Home Bargains, I think Home Bargains sell them as well, I will grab them. Corks come out. Would you look at that? I got this little jar of matchsticks. I thought that was a nice little alternative, £3.50, to lighters. These, how easy are they to come out? Oh, quite easy to come out. And then the thing is on the bottom. Obviously it's candle season. Candle season is upon us. And I thought that would look cute on display in this room, maybe next to my candle. £3.50. I don't know how many are in there, but it looks like a lot. Some more little ornaments. These are ceramic house ornaments, and I might actually use these in the kitchen. I do like a little Christmas village display, so I might actually use these within that and take the ribbon off if I don't hang them on the tree, because they're lovely quality. But yeah, 4 ceramic Scandi houses for £4. The boys some bits for their advent calendar. The boys' advent calendar is like my auntie made it when my eldest was born years ago, and it's like a fabric one with pockets, so I buy the chocolates to go inside. So I got them some of these, some coins. I'll need a bit more because obviously I need 25 times 2, I need 50 in total, but as a start to collecting chocolates. I got some Flash festive spray. I normally go for the frosted eucalyptus because if you've tried it you'll know it's amazing. But I haven't tried this one yet. This is the Sugar Plum Delight spray wipe done. I have tried Sugar Plum, I think in the fabric spray. So I'm looking forward to trying it in the surface spray. I think it was like £2, I think. And also some festive surface wipes, which are handy occasionally if you just need a quick wipe down. And I got these in the scent Frosted Berries, and they smell very nice. I'm excited about these. I got these for my fruit and veg in the fridge. If I open one up, you'll be able to see. They have compartments within them which you can wash your fruit. So you could put your strawberries, your grapes in here, wash them down, and then pop them back in here, seal it shut, and keep them nice and fresh in your fridge. I thought they were super neat and handy. They were £4 each, and I got 2 to put in my fruit and veg drawer in the fridge. So I'm excited to install those this afternoon. Wild, right? Oh yeah, these might be my star buy. So we are hosting Christmas this year. My family, we all rotate and we take it in turns to host. So I think it's every 3 years we have to do it, and it is the 3rd year, it is our turn. So that means it's my job to buy crackers. And I saw these. How cute are these crackers with the little wooden star on them, and actually like really tasteful surprises inside. A little ornament, a little wooden scoop, no idea what that is, a dice, a little book. For 6, it was £8, so I had to buy 2 packs because there's quite a lot of us. But that is crackers all sorted. Crackers, nice crackers, always sell out really quick. So if you see crackers that you like, get them. Okay, the last thing, you're gonna think I'm crazy. I promise you I have not lost my mind. But I got 2 extendable shower curtain rods. I'm not gonna give too much away, but I saw on Instagram a Christmas decorating hack where a very, very clever lady used one of these to hang something that is usually very difficult to hang in the house. I'm trying to be cryptic here. And she used this instead, and it was genius. And these are damage free. These are the ones that are just pressure. They just stay up by expanding and pressure, no drilling required. If this works, this will be my favorite Christmas hack ever. It might fail. I'm decorating the house next week, in a couple of days, so I'll tell you if they fail or if they succeed. Either way, I'll be honest about it. Let's see. They were like £6 each, so if it fails, I'm not gonna shed any tears over it. It's okay. But there you go. There is my Christmas 2023 B&M haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said at the beginning, don't forget to subscribe before you go. A lot of cozy Christmas content coming up, especially as I'm decorating next week. Looking forward to all the Christmas clean with me's, and it's just the best time of year. I just love it so much. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you in my next video.